Hello guys, here back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be talking about severe weather threat for the Central Plains for today and a potential flash flooding threat that will exist across portions of the southwest U.S. all coming right up into this video. We are going to take a look at national radar at the moment. There are some monsoonal storms across portions of Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Nevada at the moment. These could be some strong storms that could produce flooding today. Also some showers and thunderstorms here that could potentially be strong across portions of Texas. Even more storms across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi, and a lot of storms across central Florida at the moment. There's also some storms across South Carolina and Georgia right now, and Alabama. There's also some storm coverage around portions of New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio at the moment. We also do have some other storms, strong showers and thunderstorms across portions of central Wisconsin at the moment. We do have those storms. We also do have some storms across portions of central central Minnesota at the moment for today. Now we are going to take a look at today's severe weather outlook. It does include a slight risk of severe weather for Sioux City, Grand Island. It also does include places like Kearney, Pierce, Norfolk, and St. Paul in Nebraska. Now, if we do take a look at today's severe weather outlook for the South, there's a marginal risk of severe weather, including Austin, Houston, New Orleans, Jacksonville, and Orlando at the moment. So be weather aware in any of these areas here. There is a 2% chance of tornadoes across the areas in the dark green, including Grand Island, Kearney, Sioux City, and Sioux Falls. Be well aware and have a plan and be prepared. Even though this tornado threat is lower, it's still isolated and it's still there. Today's wind outlook does include Grand Island, Sioux City, and Sioux Falls. That's lower than the hail outlook that we do have today, but it still is there. Today's wind outlook for the South does include Austin, Houston, New Orleans, Jacksonville, and Orlando. Here's be well aware for that. Today's hail outlook is the main threat for the slight risk of severe weather for today, including Kearney, Sioux City at the moment. Now, we are going to take a look at the models. So now if we do take a look at the models for the slight risk of severe weather today, we could see some big-time thunder boomers and maybe even some severe thunderstorms with big-time hail and winds across. This will include Norfolk and Kearney around 6 p.m. This will make it to Grand Island around 7, Columbus around 7, Sioux City around 8, Grand Island around 8, Hastings around 8, and Columbus around 8. Central Daylight Time. Now, if we do take a look at the models for the South today, we could have some storms here around 9 p.m. There could be some isolated strong storms across portions of Texas. Now, if we do take a look at today's excessive rainfall outlook, there is a slight risk of excessive rainfall for monsoon season across portions of Arizona, Nevada, and Utah, so be well aware for that. Also, an area of a slight risk of excessive rainfall or flash flooding across portions of North Dakota and North Minnesota for today. There also is a excessive rainfall outlook risk, including a slight risk across portions of Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, including New Orleans, Mobile, included in this risk. There also is an area of a slight risk across portions of Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina. Tomorrow's excessive rainfall does include a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. This is a very rare risk with a 40% chance of flash flooding in that red area. So if you're in the red area, you need to be extremely weather aware across portions of southwestern New Mexico and portions of southeast portions of Arizona. It's also with a slight risk put into portions of the southwest. Saturday's excessive rainfall outlook is another moderate risk, which is a very rare outlook, including a 40% chance of flash flooding in that red area, including portions of southwestern Nevada, New Mexico, and portions of southeastern Arizona for today. Hope you guys did like this video here. Hope you guys liked it, and bye, guys.